Hello, everyone, and welcome to Easy Research Talks, where we give simple, short, and easy definitions to complex research methodology, and we provide support for undergraduate, postgraduate students that are finding the process of doing research difficult. So, today we have a short presentation on exact definition of academic research. And we are going to do that by explaining why do we even need to do research? What is the essence of doing academic research? To start, it is important to understand that the process of academic research is simply about reducing bias and producing facts. So there are two keywords: bias and fact. So fact can also mean knowledge. So you are biased when you believe any fact or any information without proof or confirmation. And that this kind of information and knowledge that we believe without confirmation are usually produced through traditional source of knowledge. So there are three sources of traditional knowledge: tradition or cultural beliefs, authority, and intuition. Cultural beliefs, for example, can mean anything that we collectively believe in our society, or we have been hearing repeatedly to the extent that we believe it, even if we are presented with contradictory evidence, we still want to hold on to this fact because we have developed tenacity against against evidence. We are willing to defend it because we just believe it. And anybody that is trying to disapprove or to argue against this kind of fact might seem to be disrespecting our culture. So that's why we become biased to this kind of knowledge. The second source of traditional knowledge is authority. When we when we are told something or a fact from people perceived people that are perceived to be experts in a field, for example, doctors, engineers, or other professionals. When they tell us something, we tend to believe it, even if we can't verify the accuracy of the information. And finally, intuition. That relates to our guts, our feelings, our common senses that tell us that some things are just true, are just fact, and we are not willing to confirm it or verify it. Even if we want to verify, it's difficult because we have confirmation bias. All we want to do when is our intuition is we are trying to forcefully make whatever belief we have from the intuition to the truth, and we block away any logic or any proof that tend to disapprove our intuition. And then the danger here is that if you plan future, if you plan your life based on information or facts that are not verifiable, uh, it tends to be, in some cases, it might be difficult, it might be dangerous. So that is exactly the reason why we do academic research, to reduce bias and to produce verifiable fact. And how do we do that? So the definition of research provide the four reasons or the four process of doing, of reducing bias and producing verifiable fact. And so I have here for you simple definition of research. This is which says that research is empirically and objectively producing knowledge that are testable and that are falsifiable. So when we say empirically, it basically means we produce facts through observation. So whenever you are looking for data, you are looking for events to confirm whatever uh, claims or conclusion that you want to arrive at, then you can say you are doing academic research. Secondly, objectivity. So when you are doing it by using method, so the process of using method to produce knowledge claims also pass to be an academic research. And thirdly, whatever issue that you are applying this method or this empirical process on must be testable. So when we say something is testable, is that you have attributes or characteristics that can reflect the presence or the absence of the issue you are studying. So therefore, you have a measurement. And finally, whatever you produce through the process, through this academic process, can be falsified by other researchers, because you have applied method. They can basically replicate whatever you have done and see and arrive at a different conclusion. So there you have it, the simple definition of academic research, which reveals the characteristics of academic research. If you like what you have just watched, if you enjoy it and you think there is value in it, subscribe to our channel and click on the notification button and spread the word so that everyone benefits. Thank you, and see you in our next video.